I'm going to show you the easy and simple way to make Kunu drink in Yoruba ways. So let's dive into it and let me show you how we make this. Let's go. Trust me, this is so nice. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time, I'm Alpha at DBC. So, on today's episode, I'll be sharing with you the simple and easiest way to make Kunu drink. It's different from what you've been watching. This is so simple and it's so beneficial. Like, subscribe, and share so more people can get to see this video. There are two types of sorghum you will see in the market. There is one called Jero and there is other one called Mewa. They use Mewa for Fura and they use the other one for Kuno. But the first one I show you is sorghum for Kuno, and this one you're seeing right here is Mewa. They use it for Noon Fura. So I don't want it to be too dark, and I got this as a Yoruba lady and mix this with my jero that I'll be getting, and that's what they want to do here. I bought the half of that plastic to put inside the jero, so it will give me this color. I don't want it to be dark, so I mixed it with this. But if you don't want to mix it, it's fine. And here is my ginger. This is what the mixture looks like. Can you see? This is what the mixture looks like, because I want it to be white. I don't want it to be dark, so that's why I mix these two together. And I'll be putting my dry ginger. You see, using dry ginger will make it last instead of using fresh ginger. So I'll be using my dry ginger. And clove. I'm using my clove. This is clove. Hot pepper. Now this is it after 20 hours of soaking. I want to change the water. Some people leave it for 48 hours, but you can go ahead and grind it after 20 something hours that I've soaked mine. I soaked mine around 12 yesterday, and now taking it from the water. I'll need to rinse it again.
Now we've took it to the grinding mill and it has been grinded. So now it's time to sieve. Now it's time to sieve. You mix it properly. You can put water so that the pap in it will come out easily. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and Mr. Sieving it. Join me and let's sieve together.
But you have to mix it. Once you've gotten your part, you mix everything well so some parts will not settle. Make sure you mix it so it will not give you different colors. Make sure you mix properly before you now take the portion you want to boil. The portion you want to pour hot water, like more like pap, more like you're making pap. So that's the process.
Now the water is boiled. This is my milk flavor. This is the milk flavor I want to use, and this is the sweetener. You can choose to use sugar, but I'll be using sweetener. I'll dilute it first. Let me make my Kunu drink first, like you're making pap. Now it's changed color. Could I help? No. Now I want to mix my sweetener. I want to dilute it. I use hot water to dilute it. You don't mix the powder direct. I dilute mine with hot water. So gradually it melts. Sometimes after mixing like this, I just put it inside a bottle and keep it there until I need its next, so you can mix it. Hide. And this is my milk flavor. So this is my milk flavor. I'm mixing that with hot water. Yeah. So mix. Yeah, can you see? It's now thick, more like pap. So on to the next thing to do. I'll have to come back later. I'll leave it for some hours to to cool down before I do the next thing and show you the next procedure. So stay tuned.
This is how I like to take the pap portion if I don't want to mix it. I haven't mixed it yet to make it kunu. So this one is more like pap, like you're drinking pap. So guys, this is everything I need. This is the pap I make. Like yeah, this is it. And this is raw one I'm mixing with it. This is the sweetener I've mixed. I melt the sweetener inside hot water, and this is the milk flavor I'll be using. So now it's time to mix everything together. I leave this one for 1 hour or 30 minutes to get cold so that this raw taste will show, it's not cooked with the hot one. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I'll be mixing the raw one inside the one I've put hot water. The more you mix the raw, the more it's going to reach, Can you see that? So we'll mix everything together. You need butter, yeah.
We're going to mix. Mix it to your desire, So we are mixing that. I think this is thick. Should really be thick. If you don't want yours to be too thick, you can just put water to dilute. And yeah. So after all this mixture, I'll put my sweetener. You can just put it because the sweetener is too sweet and it tastes more like sugar. This is for you if you want to sell. The sweetener is more affordable. Most people will not come out here to tell you they use sweetener, they will tell you it's sugar. But to be on the safer side, just pour water on it to dilute instead of pouring it direct to the drink. Make sure you use hot water to dilute it first before you pour it there. And this is my milk flavor I'm using. Yeah, that's it too. I haven't can taste it too. Now the aroma is bumping out because of the milk flavor I put. Now, can you smell that? It now smells so delicious. Yum yum. I want to taste it. Yeah, I don't want the sweetness to be much, just a little, because my guy I'm making this for don't like it to be too sweet. So I'm trying to be careful with my sweetener. So after mixing this is all the great things in it. Two things: the sweetener and the milk flavor. If you don't want to use the powder milk flavor, you can get the syrup one, the liquid form flavor to use. If you don't want to use the powdered one, I couldn't get the liquid one where I got the sweetener, so I prefer the liquid flavor. But the powder one too is not bad. So after mixing all this now, I'm going to sieve it. In case of any lumps or anything is there, let's sieve it out. I'll be dropping my mic so that I can sieve it.